With these 3 pieces of stone fitting really nicely for our last step, I'm now going to add packers underneath them to get them to the right height. I want the stones sitting relatively flat, but with a slight slope, leaning to the outside of the step for rain drainage. I'm using my small level to help indicate if I've got the packer thickness right. If it doesn't look quite right, I swap out the packer for a different sized one until I get it to the level I need. I keep track of where the packers should be placed by putting them on top of the stones. That way when we put the ceramicrete down, I can return the packers to the correct position. After raking back the cement, I return the packers to the original position. I thoroughly butter the back of our stone with a tile adhesive. Place it back on the packers and double check with my level that it's come out correctly.
You come and go like a monsoon rain. You have